Hey guys, so today we will have a look at the verb lassen. Hey guys, so as mentioned, our topic today is the verb lassen. And we will have a look how do we conjugate this verb and when do we need this verb. From my experience as a teacher, I hardly ever hear students use it. Even though it's not really hard to use, and in specific situations it comes in very handy. So it will really enrichen your vocabulary and your ability to express yourself. Alright, so let's first of all have a look, how do we conjugate this verb? Das Verb lassen. Ich lasse. Du lässt. Er, sie, es lässt. Wir lassen. Ihr lasst, Sie lassen. Alright, that's how we conjugate it. So you saw that it is an irregular verb. Yeah, so it has an umlaut in the second and third person singular. So in du und er, sie, es. So in the next step, we will have a look at some examples where we use this verb. Let's go. Er lässt sein Auto reparieren. Er lässt seine Wäsche waschen. Sie lassen ihr Wohnzimmer renovieren. Sie lässt ihre Küche putzen. Er lässt sich massieren. Sie lässt ihr Auto waschen. Er lässt seine Hemden bügeln. Sie lässt sich die Haare schneiden. Sie lässt ihren Rasen mähen. Alright, so now you saw that we use this verb mainly if someone else is doing something for us. If we are not doing it ourselves, but someone else is doing it for us. And there's another way how we use it, and this is if you want to say, leave me alone. Yeah? If you are stressed or somebody's bothering you and you want to basically make your space clear. Yeah? You want to get rid of this person. Then you can say this sentence. Lass mich in Ruhe. Yeah, it's in English, leave me alone. Yeah, and this one we actually use quite frequently. Yeah? Whenever we are annoyed or somebody goes on our nerves, you can just say, hey, lass mich in Ruhe. Yeah, you can say it, I mean, depending on how strong you say it, it can sound a bit more friendly or a bit more harsh. Yeah, if you say lass mich in Ruhe, it's quite harsh. You could also say lass mich bitte in Ruhe. Yeah, then it's not so strong. Alright, so we are already at the end of this little video. I hope now you know how to use this verb lassen. If you want to try out some stuff, use the comment section. I will have a look and give you some feedback if you want to try out some sentences. And yeah, to those of you who don't know me, my name is Benjamin. I'm 36 years old. I'm a German teacher from Berlin and I'm uploading new videos every Tuesday. And sometimes also animated videos at the weekend. So if you want to help this channel, I would be very happy if you subscribed, if you shared it on social media. And yeah, also if you comment, leave me some feedback, I would highly appreciate it. Alright, so thanks for watching this video and I'm going to see you guys again next Tuesday. Goodbye. Tschüss.